So proud to have volunteered with this amazing group of RYNOs. Together with H.E.L.P, we boxed up 21 boxes full of items for children in the Valley. This RYNO family loves to serve. Homeless Engagement Lift Partnership is a 501c3 that focuses on helping restore dignity and hope to those in our homeless community. Their mission is to change the cycle of homelessness through our children and provide immediate aid and comfort, advance education and knowledge for those who have found themselves in some form of homelessness, promote awareness, and create action in our community. With a little extra effort, we can help reduce the number of homeless in our community. Together, we can make a difference. Want to get involved? Head to their website.